Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in today's video I will share with you how to learn English language practically. Trust me, if you will follow this, you will be able to speak English language. Guys, I will share my own personal experience. How am I learning English language? Right now, I'm a new learner. I'm trying to speak this language. I'm trying to express myself in English completely. And I'm able to communicate with people in English. So, I will share my own personal experience. The first thing that I do personally is listening. If you really wanted to speak English language, so you have to listen it a lot. You have to create an environment in English in your brain. It's 24 by 7. It's going on your brain. English, English, English. Just try to listen English. And how can you listen? You can watch. You can begin from English cartoons. English cartoons, you can watch them, and the thing that you are not able to understand, that you have to write them down and just Google them. Then try to understand them. In this way, you can improve yourself. Yeah, right. Okay, so listening is important for a new learner. Okay, and now I listen daily in English. So, and the second thing that I've got is observing. You are watching a cartoon, and whatever is going on, you are trying to observe them. After this word, after this phrase, after this sentence, after this sentence, what is going on in this video, what is going on in this cartoon. So you, in this way, you will get that point. Means, how can we use this phrase? So you will learn it through observing. So you have to observe. Firstly, you have to listen and observe. It's a tool to learn English language. Okay, and third thing that you have to do, that you have to follow, is practice. How practice is important, I cannot say, because without practicing, you can never ever be able to speak in English. Okay, so how can we practice? If you're saying, oh, I don't have anybody, I don't have any friend, or I don't have any partner to speak in English, to talk with them in English language, so how can I learn this language? How can I practice this? So trust me, you are on your own. You can talk to yourself. You can talk to yourself in the mirror. Just stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. Talk about yourself. Talk about your future. Talk about your life. Talk about your problems, solutions, whatever it is that related to you. You can talk to yourself in English, and no one's going to judge you that you're speaking right or wrong. It's a big problem. And we think when I will speak, people are gonna laugh at me, are gonna notice me that I'm using wrong words, wrong sentences, I'm speaking wrong, my English is wrong. These are fear, you are just creating in your brain. This is nothing going to be happen. You have to speak it. Okay, people will laugh at me, they will make fun of me. It's okay, it's normal. It happens with every new learner. You have to face it. It's your fear, I know that. Okay, so don't worry about them. Don't think about them. Don't think about the people are just going laugh at me and this that, etc. These are excuses. Okay, you don't need to focus on them. You have to focus on yourself. The first thing that is listening, and second thing observing. You have to observe them, and third thing, you have to practice. You can for example, you're watching a video and there is subtitle is going on there, and you can read the subtitles, and the word that you're not getting, you can write them, you can Google them. Okay, so, and you are, for example, you are watching, and means you are listening that video, and you are observing that and speaking and practicing. For example, the cartoon is going on, the video is going on, you are watching, that means you are observing, and the subtitle is going on, you can read them out loud, you can practice same time. Same time, you can listen, you can observe, you can practice through videos. Any videos like cartoons, English videos that related your interest, what you're interested about, you can watch video in English and you can practice a lot. In this way you sorry in this way you will start to learn English language, and trust me, it will help you a lot. And I'm following this process, that's why I'm able to speak in English. Or you will improve your pronunciation. It's a plus point. In this way you will listen them and you will speak with them, and you will improve your pronunciation, how to pronunciate this word, how to that they are just speaking that sentences, and you will practice with them. Really, it will help you. You don't Do not underestimate this process, guys. It's a practical process. It's not a hard to follow. It's very simple to follow. You have to follow it if you are really interested, so you will follow it. I know that. If you're saying superficial, it's if you're superstition, I want to learn this language. So if you're not putting your work, if you're not working on it, so how can you learn it? If you're really interested, you will work. I know that. So guys, it's all about today. And please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you really like this. So please comment below your questions and whatever is going on in your mind that related to this video. I will reply them, really. And thank you very much for watching my video up to the very end. And it's all about today. And take care. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.